What's up, you magnificent sons of bitches? It's your boy, Reverend Conflict. Oh, actually, I might change my name to Country Biscuit. Getting a little older, got a kid on the way, got a little biscuit in the belly, so who knows? But anyway, cool ass hat I got today. Last episode of the Idiot's Guide to Reselling. Shipping and packing your shit that's sold. So, I got some orders to go out today, so after I hit this Goodwill real quick, do a little pest control, I'm gonna be back in the lab, sweating my ass off. I'm gonna show you guys how to pack out the stuff you're selling, and then hopefully from there, you can just fly free, birdies. All right, so we are in the warehouse, dungeon, office, garage, and I got some stuff to ship. So, you sold something from your eBay listings. Awesome. Now you're like, fuck, I don't have packing materials. Do I need bubble wrap? Do I need bags? Do I have to buy all this stuff? Eventually, you're going to want to get there because the more professional your package looks, the higher probability of getting feedback. And when you're dealing with any kind of platform, I know that this is mainly for eBay, but any kind of platform, it's all based off of customer experience. So feedback and reviews go a long way. So the way you do that is by handling the product very nice. Don't just throw it in a bag. You need to make sure it's folded, it's been washed and laundered, blah, blah, blah. All stuff you should already know. Mainly because it's common fucking sense. But, so I got a few things here that I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna show you the way I do it, and then I'm gonna show you the way that you can do it starting out from scratch. So what we're gonna do is, first off, I'm gonna show you directly from scratch with, out having to order poly bags or order mailers or anything like that. So this is just direct, as low as you can do. Yeah, garage is open, it's fucking hot. Dryer's going because I sell clothes, so I'm constantly washing and drying clothes. Anyway, plus I have 100 cheer-ins. I have 100 cheer-ins, so I always got a lot to do. Anyway, if you go to Walmart, in the freezer section, usually on the edges, they have these bags for you to put your frozen stuff in, so you can still shop, and this supposedly keeps it a little bit colder. Anyway, I grab these by the stacks. These are free. I've never been charged for these, and I usually always grab a stack about 30 every time I go to the store. And as you can see, I use USPS stuff all the time. Anything under a pound, I'm gonna ship in something like this, or a poly bag. Anything over a pound, I'm gonna try and do flat rate because it's usually the cheapest, and if I can't get into the small flat rate, then I'm gonna try and use a priority box because that's around $9.70. Anyway, back to this. Let's say you sold this jersey, because I just sold this jersey. And as you can tell, I folded it very nicely. I'm going to pack it and ship it in this. Open the bag. What I do is, without messing up your fold it kind of like a taco. Put it in the bag. I know you can't see that, so it is in the bag. You see how it's sitting in the bag? And then I'm just gonna go back and fold the crease back down. Or somebody decides to do their lawn. So I know you hear the noise, but I'm gonna show you. So I've got it back flat like that, right? So basically I just folded the bag back down, shirt's still inside, all right? And then I am going to fold up, basically covering up the Walmart area, and then you tape it. And then you just tape it down. So it ends up looking like, kind of like old butcher paper, like you just bought some fucking meat from the deli. So then you just print your label, slap it on there, and it goes out into the wild. So that's how I used to pack it when I started out. It was very cheap, very, very free. I just paid for tape, and then of course my label. And then that's how I did it. Now, I don't ship like that anymore, but that is your basic way to ship literally garments, clothing, anything that you could fit in this bag. Now, if it's something that, obviously the bag could tear, rip, something like that, but so can poly bags and so can that, so padded mailers and stuff like that. So I don't ship like that anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and just rip this up, and I'm gonna show you how I do it now. But basically, when you're starting out, I know everybody gets confused and overwhelmed with having to buy all this stuff, so you can use stuff like this. Shit, you can buy a roll of the brown paper and just cut it yourself. But using the free sandwich style bags that they have in the freezer section at Walmart is going to save you the time of having to sit there and cut shit out to measurement. But other than that, I use the USPS boxes. Also, let's say you sold a guitar and you put it in the priority box, and you realize you put it in the 2 priority boxes that you made. I have a video on how to do that as well. Check out, scroll down through my YouTube videos. And you realize that it would be cheaper if you just shipped it UPS ground. Well, you take that brown paper and you wrap that priority box like it's a fucking birthday present, and now they can't tell that it's a priority box, so you can still ship it UPS. Same thing goes for stuff you want to mail that you want to protect. Like, I'm going to give you a quick be on the lookout, because I don't understand why, but if you ever find these Titanic soundtrack CDs, not the DVD, the actual CD, buy them, because they sell for $10 consistently. Why, I don't know, because there's like one good fucking song and she can't even hit those notes anymore. But anyway, buy them. But so let's say I did sell this, so I got to ship this out. What do? Well, what I do is I'm going to take one of these flat rate padded mailers, which are basically just bubble wrap as an envelope. I'm going to put the CD in it. I'm going to then fold it in half, and then I use this self-sealer. So now you have a protected CD, and then I just put it inside the brown paper bag, fold it up, tape it, good to go. Now some people would be like, you can't do that, that's cheating, that's misuse of postal service packaging material. And to those people, I say, mind your business. Mind your business.
Mind your business, that's all. Mind your business.
Anyway, so there's another quick little hack slash be on the lookout for those Titanic. So I'm gonna pack my jersey, I gotta ship it. So this is how you can work your way up to. So make sure I got my fold good. I'm gonna do my taco thing again. Now I use clear poly bags. I buy them from eBay. I think I get 200 of these. These are 10 by 13 size, and I pay $13.99 with free shipping. So anytime I sell clothes, I want it, even though it's used, most of my stuff that I sell is pre-owned, I want it to look like a fucking $1,000,000. So I'll put it in a poly bag. Now doesn't that look nice? Nice and clean? Then I'll take that, I'll fold it in half, and I'll put it in my poly mailer. Also, I get these off of eBay, and I think I get 200 of these for $14.99, $16.99, I don't know. These are from You Pack and Ship. They don't pay me, but I've always bought my poly bags from them. And don't be a poser and steal my idea, because I always do tie-dye, because it's freaking awesome. But yeah, so I put the poly bag shirt inside the poly bag, and then I have custom thank you cards that just say, thanks, we hope your order is radical. If you're happy, leave us a 5-star review. Issues, just contact us, we will fix it. I go ahead and drop that in the package, pull the tab, fold it over, done. There you go. So now you see from beginning to professional, or whatever. Ever since I started doing it more like this, investing a little bit in better supplies to ship things out, and especially those postcards, which I made myself on Vistaprint. I think I got 500 of them for like 20 bucks. I put one in every order. My reviews have gone up. I now recently just got promoted to a power seller, and it's all because feedback. And I also leave feedback. So what I do is I set a schedule every Friday. I go through and I just leave feedback on all my orders that have arrived, not the ones that I just shipped out. Why would I leave positive feedback? I don't even know if they're gonna leave me feedback, or even if they like the item yet. So anyway, that's how you do it. Shipped, packed, and out the door. Congratulations. I wish I had a cap and gown to give you, because you are now successful graduates of the Idiot's Guide to Reselling. I'll probably do one follow-up video just for questions and answers of anything that I might have missed, but this series was supposed to be so simple and easy that a caveman could do it.
Not cool.
I did not know you were there.
I hope you guys are now on your way to selling and making sales on eBay. Once you learn that platform, you can move into Mercari, Poshmark. If you want to do Amazon, you know, I would probably watch somebody else, because I just do that on the back burner and don't really talk much about it because I'm still learning it myself. Oh, one also tip: if you sell shoes, I would suggest polybagging them or putting them in. I'm gonna slide on camera. Keep bags. Not only does it look better, it keeps it from getting like a mildew or a smell. And then also, when you ship things, you don't want them rubbing together and possibly getting dirty, even though you cleaned them. Plus, again, it looks better when somebody just bought these. And yes, they're used, but when they get them out of the package, you're like, damn. There's no way they're not going to leave me a 5-star review. So simple things like that go a long way. All right, guys, like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know how the series was. If you still have any questions, put them in the comments and I will get on that. All right, this is Country Biscuit. Deuce. It's like, goddamn, man. You're just trying to make a fucking video for the 12 fucking people that watch the goddamn thing. And you just can't. These fucking weed eaters and fucking dogs barking and shit. Thanks a lot. The world can't stop, right? No, I'm not filming or anything. Fuck.
I like biscuits and mustard.